Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to replace your old wall switch with a new one, quickly and safely. Whether it's because your switch is faulty or you're just looking to upgrade, I've got you covered. So let's jump right in. First things first, safety is key. Make sure to turn off the power to the switch at the circuit breaker. This is crucial to prevent any electrical shocks or accidents. Once the power is off, use a voltage tester to double check that there is no power flowing to the switch. Now let's get our tools ready. You'll need a screwdriver, a new switch, wire strippers, and maybe some wire nuts. Got everything? Great, let's proceed. Start by removing the faceplate of the old switch. Usually it's just a couple of screws. Keep these screws because you might need them later. Next, unscrew the actual switch from the electrical box. Carefully pull it out and you'll see the wires connected at the back. Here's where you need to pay attention. Note how the wires are connected. Taking a photo with your phone is a handy way to remember. You'll typically see three kinds of wires: black, hot, white, neutral, and green or bare, ground. Disconnect these wires from the old switch. If the wires are wrapped around the screws, loosen the screws and free the wires. If they're plugged into holes at the back of the switch, gently pry them out with your screwdriver. Now, take your new switch. Connect the ground wire first. It's usually green or bare. This wire goes to the green screw on the switch. Next, connect the black, hot wires to the brass screws and the white, neutral wires to the silver screws. Make sure the connections are tight and secure. If you're using a switch with push-in connections, simply push the wires into the corresponding holes until they're snug. Once all the wires are connected, carefully push the switch back into the electrical box and screw it in place. Replace the faceplate and tighten those screws back up. Now, the moment of truth, head back to your circuit breaker and turn the power back on. Then, test your new switch. If everything was done correctly, it should work smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced your wall switch. Not too difficult, right? With the right tools and a bit of caution, it's a quick project that can make a big difference in your home. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, always put safety first when dealing with electricity. Catch you in the next one.